welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most personalized and amazing school supplies you've ever seen. So if you want to see how to do that, stick around for the video. I know back to school is coming up. Some of you guys like it, some of you don't. Let me know down in the comments below your personal thoughts on school. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you indifferent? I don't know. Let me know. Anyway guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It would really help to support the channel and I would be able to put more content out for you guys. Anyway, I've rambled on long enough. Let's just get right into the video.
So for this first DIY, all I'm going to be doing is going into Google Drawings. I'm going to be clicking at Page Setup to make a customized page so the image covers the entire printer paper, which is 8.5 by 11. Then all I'm going to be doing is taking this marble background image I found off of Google Images and covering the entire page so it fills up the entire screen when I print it out. I'm then going to be inserting this pill shape into Google Docs from Shapes and making it transparent and increasing the border thickness. Again, you can do whatever shape you want or whatever color. I just decided to go with this pill shape. Then I'm going to be inserting this word inspire, centering it and increasing the font size, and that was it for this DIY.
So for the final step of this DIY, I'm going to be taking my printed images and putting them in these clear view binder covers. As you can see, I made a black marble background with white font, and the one I showed you earlier in the video was the white marble with black font. And I'm again putting this in a clear view binder cover. And that was it for my binders for this year. This was really cute and simple.
So for this DIY planner, I'm going to be taking my blue sky planner and taking the front cover out of it, as you can see. And I'm going to be taking this and tracing it onto a regular sheet of printer paper so I can customize it to what I want it to be. I'm then going to cut out the sheet of paper. And once that's done, as you can see on the left I have my cover and on the right I am making a reusable to-do list. So all I'm doing is taking this to-do and I'm writing little bullet points and drawing lines underneath so I can write things for a... Then once I have both completed, I'm going to stack them and insert them into the planner cover. Once that's completed, as you can see, I can use an expo marker and write on my to-do list, and it's completely reusable and erasable so I can continue to use it. And that was it for this DIY. So for this DIY notebook cover, I'm going to be taking a blank sheet of paper, folding the cover over on top of it, and then folding each page down and taping it in place so I can have a completely blank canvas to work with for my cover of my notebook. Then with this, I'm going to be taking a ruler and a pencil and sectioning off the piece of paper in weird and abstract types of ways. Once that's done, I'm going to be taking my only blue markers and drawing shades and different shapes and patterns all over the notebook. And that's it for this notebook. It's really easy and simple, and no one will have the same notebook as you. This last DIY, I'm going to be showing you what I keep in this emergency kit that I always have in my backpack. So first off is some perfume because we want to be smelling good, guys. Portable charger because no one needs their phone dying. Deodorant to freshen up. Hair ties to keep your hair out of your face. Hand sanitizer. Please have clean hands, guys. Some face wipes in case my face gets real oily after whatever. And then also some extra spending cash just in case. And this is really helpful to have just in my backpack in case I need any of this stuff during the school year.